In this video, I'll walk you through the implant workflow. Create a new case and choose the implant workflow. Identify the tooth where the implants are placed. Fill in the prescription accordingly. Once data is entered, click Scan to enter the scanning interface. Scan the upper arch as usual. When the upper arch is done, move to the lower. Take more time to scan the lower arch since the implants are located here. On an actual patient, you may scan with the healing abutment in place. When finished, take the right and left bite scans. Click the fourth scan icon to enter the scan body selection window. Click the Scan Body Selection button. Mark the areas where the scan bodies will be placed. Remove the healing abutment and place the scan body before proceeding. If you don't have the scan body file in your computer, register the scan body file first by clicking the Register Scan Body button. Carefully scan the scan body, making sure that there are no voids in it. Remove the excess data by using the Cut tool. Use the left click to mark the areas to be removed. Repeat the cutting process until just the scan body data remains. If data is complete, click Next. Review the scan body and click the check mark to save the file. Now that you have the file, click the Import Reference Scan Body button. Select the scan body you want to use and confirm it. Turn on the metal scan function as needed. Start your scan. The software will automatically